biti wa ha ye chobi efunu wa ha na chese Ghana bibia edu ni de aye hu na ne nyina mu no ye ne hweka ne ebeka se ebeda onyame ase se me no yeda so won kwam a obi nya nku ye de adomara kwa yebeda otwede ampanse sa ye mpa ebo ne se obone yefo na wa sori no ne nsa enka yen yo enuanom ne adofo mesa echecha obi biara baby biara owo me ma good morning wi abo me ma good afternoon ade nso asa na chese me ma adwo good evening na ene adom na adom yensa na yesan de aba ha no efiede bia na ye de legal hour eba mu fidie legal hour eba mu fie legal hour eba mu offices eba baby biara owo no ene nso sa adom na asa adom yama yaba Emma ye babidi ye hun komo ye hun komo enwa ni say legal matters ye ni BWF Solicitors for akan bom na omo nya adagye omo yi omo mre free of charge na efiade bia eyawada ene memrenda omo de be kyerɛkyerɛ ye nneoma ekoso wo kromu ha ne ka kromu ha system ne mo a enam immigration ho nsam enam ye can say litigation enam family law family divorce ni aware insem de bebre even ye nkromu emra kra omo ye expert na che say omo ato omo ho ato ho say abrebia ewiemo nsuomo winter mo sunny mo autumn mo spring mo omo de omo yom ho ato ho say omo kyerɛkyerɛ ye nneoma etwa na esen na ekɔ eno na ene yasa akɔtwe omo penin baako lawyer me friend is lawyer Charles Asmah na ombebra kyerɛ yen insem a ekoso ewo de ho ewo appeals semo amonim nkrofo nsem a ye de ato appeals na home office for no more refuse no mo see we aka we no mo see fa we koye we na mo chese obi sebi obi kra wo ne ba ono ose ma wo me ba me pese mo ye nkrata ma no na one mentina krom ha ye se ye refuse say ya say omunim say ye no kra say oba nsem wa nsem say ye kan na ye se kona ko appeal chese bibia appeal ti wa hwa wa wo ba na ye refuse na ye se kona ko appeal dia ni dia na o say wo ye appeal kra ni dia de enti ene ya twi lawyer na ombra embe kyerɛ yen ensem a ekoso afei ebefa de nso na ye beka say ye refuse say wasem na ye tra keke na ye say refuse ana say wasem na wo de akoso yo mo so mundi ma na ye ma unkrata na say ma asetna okromu ha no bibi etosin wo mu ana say bibia da pepepe na nso home office for say da bi da na ensem ni bebre ebia na wonyoma na wo de kona nso emi so ana aso na nso nsem keten bi hihye ntokromu a embia na omugina so say ye refuse na afi na ye refuse no kwan ben na obefa so na oni omo atwetwe a na de me friend appeal bia na entisa ebia na etisa enti ene ye nya lawyer papa le kan lawyers a BWF Solicitors for them obienim ye say adepa nto ne ho because omo yade we dey asem no kodu ha nya hunu say wumpo wato anamo na odi akono 90% of your problem is already solved enti no ene ye wo lawyer wa ha mesa da mo nyina ase ye wo Facebook so ye wo YouTube so ye wo Instagram mesra mo ni die mo no pe bia mo ma me pa mo chododo ade be you and be me we all do it together then we all share the happiness into no mesra mo ni die mo ye wo Facebook ye wo YouTube we ni call boss wa unya notification abomode chiche maye why mun share maye we de me amesra mun share into over Facebook me hu na won share ya me boldin say e won share into kona share into we de madam ase na yenfa yedumedie no enhase good morning lawyer Asmah.
Good morning. Now my turn.
So say the woman me MNT until mafa.
Yes, good one. MNT. Now you have a cordial sister.
Nyame adom bibi aboko na mpacho mo nso mo hote sen
Nyame adom pa nanso ode acha yen santi yebeboa community no
sa na ye no yo lawyer ye bedi dwumedie na ye bekekankan appeal ho asem nansa na ye beko ye na ye topic a ya to ne din sa appeal mesrew ayem bia wo chia etiefo wie a ayem bia update bi aba sister chese na otwe ekotwa ye hui magic bi asane ana bibi aba a ebe ye good news ana aba whatever it is there any update mpacho wadaroma.
Yo, me dase bebre. Efa ekwan we so edo Yankopon ase. Na ye chia etiefo ne ahwefo enyinara ende enyina abom ewo GN radio so na ye beka emra mu nsam na yesua ade. Ye chia edwuma ye fo ewo BWF Solicitors. Ye papa Uncle Ben eda ano. Ye chechia obi biara. Na edwumayefo nso a ewo GN radio echechia obi biara yo and then nso no yebesua ade santi ne ese ye kai ne especially ne aba no senia yenim no aban na ne oye ne se nkrofo bi a wode appeal akọ court senia ne yebeka appeal ho asam no ye refuse enuanom anese busuafo visas na omode akọ court na court edi amo na wedi nkunim na home office ka say wedi nkunim de nanso ade no anka say yede mamo no mere atwam santi ye mfa mam biem because yede mamo a mfaso biara enne so foforo no so ye ntumi mfa mamo esese foforo no mo mfata se mo benya na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo aka nsinsɛmu na akwati sɛ ɔmo de nyansa kwan bi so ekyinkyim nimpa ensa agye ne efeta won na eno na BWF Solicitors so ye di ho akotia ye de kɔ na ɔmo de ba ye de kɔ na ɔmo de ba video ɔmo kan sɛ ɔmo hia emere na ɔmo tumi ahwemu te sɛ punches a ye de ma won no emu odu na 25th of August 2021 ya ehwemu a last week mu a na update bi baaye sisi anu ne ɔmo kan sɛ ubetumi etu kwan a na especially we EU family member nyoma bi o ma sɛ wunya kan no ɔmo sinka ɔmo enjintum sisi ade ɔmo agya atum sɛ wo old card no a ye friend EU family permit no wo passport na wo nansen de na aba no ye EU SS family permit no a sɛ nyoma mi nansen anasa sɛ ye de ama wo no a ubetumi etu ho anamo na wo de etu ekwan na kyerɛ sɛ anamo a yetu ye ne omo promise no akoye sɛ eye edwuma nkakra eba na update aba no ebeboa pa if you say eye policy change bi a enam kwan mu eba yempa ebo ne sɛ we bema won a na nka sɛ ye ma won yi family permit na omo kan sɛ ye mfa ma won because emre no etwam no omo nyina no omesan akɔ back na ye de omo de ye de ama omo issue ama won so omo issue ma won de a na kyerɛ sɛ omo etumi eyusu na omo de etukwan ombedu a na omo aye USS permit family permit application no enti we ni enigesɛm a aba a ye pese tiefo na hwefo nyina no eti sɛ bibi pa bi enam kwan so eba ye bɔ mpa sɛ ho baba mfaso ama enuanom ne adofo enyinara tituru EU family members wo prese umaba journey omo family members ewo ekromu ha
yo la asma ye da se wa kan se mama na to makoma so na home office fo nso de eto de bia ye nti o mase o wa me je me visa e de ama me mba na me family no ma be ka me ho embia me yi uni na mo se de bi me ho nyoma nso ye nti mamfa momo ye apele nyina wie nso mo be ka se emre na ya apele na ye nya de na nso visa no mfa maye because visa no abra ye de ma no etwem we are usha home office we are usha Enti na yewo lawyer papa for power ho no. Enti na yewo BWF Solicitors. So mo tin nsem hunu bi say no mo say share Home Office. You can't do this to our people, you know. No omo ama fa asem na to omo so. No ma fight na fe Home Office for omo popo omo. Na me ma mo kokonsa ki tu ebi. Me nya adamfo bi o Home Office na ye di nkomo na me ball omudin so me bra penny ye Uncle Ben. No say Uncle Ben na me see BWF Solicitor senior partner. See boy, sa papa no Home Office first row musro no. Enti no we de menya ka kire Home Office first row no odin sam beto a no mo ho popo say sa because omonim say papa no wa ben oya baby a obefa bia ono obefa na wa kire say oda ho a onda susua ade osua nimra no we mra no o so da ye kra na o so da ye say o ginemu ma obi nti wa wo hwa yo lawyers ma me enko yenim is just by the way yenko yenim ene ye behwe appeal adofo mo share program ne ma me why mo amaba so nyina me chiechia mo nyina I will acknowledge everybody, and first of all I will thank you for joining us on Facebook. This is GN Radio Legal Hour with BWF Solicitors. My name once again is Manyanati. Okay, lawyer Asmah mesro sa ade na ye friend appeal no pacho eno kra ne de ade.
Yo me das bebre. Na ye kan say broni kan say appeal. Akọ say wo kwasre anese wo kotu wo de wasam ekwadane obi. You are appealing to somebody. You are making a request to somebody. Na nipa no a wo make a request to no obi a oye intemginafo, an independent person a obetimi etie wasam na we hu say na yedidi wo no ento asum na yehwemu a right a emremu no unya say waye application say open visa na yesi yemfa mawo na engineer so omode mawo no to you no ento asum obetimi akọ apele anase akọ dane obi say onginemu na ontie wasam na onka bi emwawo na omondane na omaka say omon enye emawo no omondane no na saa inimpa yi a wobekọ nanim ade wasam akodan ni ene no judge, an independent referee a owo court a obetie wasam na waka say nia omoka no ento asum efise mre ne sisei na omo adane mre ne ni na omoka ne sei enti medi ama inimpa yi a ode appeal ebre mi anase ordinary sam ebedane mi saa nimpa yi ode asem ebe ye beka say oye appellant because say o appeal etu saa inimpa no nti application made by an individual who has been refused leave to remain in the UK or entry into the UK, and the application is made to a court so that the judge will look at the facts and compare the fact to the law and make a decision whether the refusal reasons are tenable and as a to assume and as a ento assume. So ento assume dia obadane no na wa share fikesim for say omonfa ade no ema wo. Na say to assume so dia obeka say ne omo kan ye no anase omo ye ye no sara na etie. Na ufi ho a obetumi mpo asan akọ the next level na wo da akwadan another court a ye no upper tribunal and so. In a nutshell, an appeal is an application made to a court to look into the reasons for refusal with the view to agreeing or disagreeing with the entry clearance officer or the Secretary of State.
Enti eno na chese asem no fakodan omo na omo nsan hwemu yie in a nutshell omo nsan hwemu yie because senior omo aka no nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a mbia ɛnhyɛ da ntɔ asom nti nneɛma ɔmo bisa wo no na wode kɔ na ɔmo ahwɛ ama wo nti no wakyerɛkyerɛ mu sei ama yɛ no lawyer Asmah nti hwan pa na ɛsɛ sɛ ɔno ɔyɛ appeal no yɛ toma wo sɛ you have the right to appeal and now you don't have the right to appeal eto de bi ameti sa abrofo na ya na ye ka ne sen ye refuse bibia na say you have the right e bin so na e be ka say you don't have the right enti no hwan sa right na ye hwan na esese onya sa right no na o appeal lawyer Asmah
yo me da se bebre ne a ewo mu no ne say sen ye refuse visa under normal circumstances no as I say ye ma wa kwanya say wo pese wo ye bibi efa ho a wo tumi aye say wo de bukwa akodan court na court ejinemu ama wo kane no na ewo ho ma obi biara na 25th of June 2013 and Secretary of State share say ye be hwehwem na ye hu say applications ni bi wo ho a emboa say e de be ma nimpa no appeal right so applications no visit applications nti visit applications say wo ba 6 month visit e wo krom ha kane no a pre 2013 no na bebre no a etuminya ye refuse and no say you can appeal but you see from 2013 no na fi there sa appeal right no omo age efi ho for visitors some person na say nkrofo mo per visit some person ba ekromu ha na even that no ye be hwe say special circumstance bi e wo ho ma wo ye betumi ama wo appeal right no a nti say wo ye visit application now application no inginaso na uginaso no is based on family or human right no a ye kan ho asam no dia and there even though a visit no na ye refuse no ye betumi ama wo akwanya say because there is human rights involved no ubetumi enya akwanya na wa ye appeal because a human right titulu article 8 of the Human Rights Act and that's article 8 of the European Convention on Human Rights or say you have right to family life, you have right to private life. O ba visit there ye hwemu abi a wo besre we busuafo and na so important says that wo ba na so mo refuse na wo feel say there is human right implication ubetumi adan won na omo edi sa right na ma na wa ye ho appeal yes sa dia na ne kan say visits no you refuse a generally no unya appeal right na say ye onu hwimu a na kire say ne aka ni nyina no under normal circumstances no ubenya ho appeal right na wo de akwadan court say omungina mu na omundi wasam no emao.
Oh, okay. Inti ayesano before we be your next question so ayesano nature say appeal no omo no mo de bet to me aka say you have the right to appeal. Ewo enam visa kra oje. So now more there are specific visas be there and they all requested for such a visa there. Now you refuse and I said if the results is being negative na just say no automatically no there unni any appeal right to appeal but so ma ho kwan there na just say you can appeal against the decision that they've given to you mpacha nya sa na o pacha no
na etie enti some refuse a o metro say you're right or the next steps normal culture so betumi aye say and as a won't me ye sa we enti the ma wo there na ya ma emre a betumi dey to sa anamo no.
Okay, and that when you mentioned them, that takes me to my next question. Internet say, yeah, bibi saba na ye mao the right to appeal. There is a time limit, and our time limit, just say emre bang ɛna saa decision na yɛde ama no wobɛtumi ayɛ appeal no wobɛtumi gya to hɔ na 2-3 years anso wa wɔka sɛ mekɔ appeal anaasɛ yɛwɔ specific time bi a ɛsɛ sɛ anaasɛ lawyer mmere wɔ hɔ koraa wɔ sɛ woyɛ saa appeal no anaa
yo me da say na ɛwɔ mu no sɛ yɛde mmere bɛma wo na yɛahwɛ sɛ wobɛdi saa mmere no ɛso a it depends on baby a woyɛ application no ɛfiiɛ sɛ wowɔ kurom ha na woyɛ application no wɔ ha na yɛ refuse so a ɛne yɛ in-country refusal nti ɛno wɔ 14 days ɛfiri sɛ wowɔ ha wowɔ 14 days a ɛsɛ sɛ wotu anamɔ no 14 days from the next day a yɛbɛ wo sa bɛka wo decision no nti sɛ wo sa ka wo decision no ɛnda a from ɛkyena no wowɔ 14 days so wobɛ count 14 days na sɛ woyɛ application no from outside the UK ɛna yɛ refuse wo a na kyerɛ sɛ wobɛhia extra 14 days na wotumi aboaboa wo ho na wayɛ appeal because woyɛ appeal no na wode aba ha ɛna wonti ha no nti wobɛhia mmere kakra aka ho nti ɔmoma wo 28 days a yɛka no out of country appeals no yɛma wo 28 days from ɛda a wo nsa ka wo decision letter no anaasɛ refusal letter no nti moma yɛnhyɛ saa date duration anaasɛ timing no nso wo kurom ha ɛyɛ 14 days from the day from the next day no a wo nsa ka wo refusal no na sɛ wo outside the UK nso a 28 days after saa ɛda no a wo nsa ka wo decision notice and that's a letter no.
Okay, and my mouse 14 days. Lawyer, yeah, mommy 14 days na just this next day I may gather me document na me the appeal na for tomorrow na sebi in previous a sign told me mbia me boy ya rebe ball me and me koda hospital na tama ye me no na mbia kada krope na 14 days no etwem me nso apele me simpi esita se meyo na ne bia no me hu ne ebekọ na afei akada kro na eche se ne me pa che ne se mentumi emiti omo deadline na omo de ama me no lawyer eno sa no me den o se me pay evidence bi kan ho ana no atwemu no na etwem mpacho
yo me da se bebre eno no na chere se ope extension of time to appeal because according to Pempen, so I want to meet the deadline, so you are going to appeal out of time. In the 14 days, na edamano ewa say 1 day na abada so, whatever days na abada so, you are appealing out of time. Let's call it late application. It is a the late appeal application no kwa, and it's a the inchiremu eka ho. Nti inchiremu no under normal circumstances, you better say you better punish you and say sanction. The sanction woman say, yeah, my quite so bad appeal because why pay you and now I then one appeal 14 days no. But send I walk no and you pay you and then you swore ho who will be binti went to me and yen sa santi ube make application a friend relief from sanction. Na saa relief from sanction no obey application say court emma wo kwan na wonfa wa application no embra even though why late eno no embra ehye wo say wo be kire mu ne nti a wentumi anye no ebra esese wo ye no na case law e support saa akwanya no na case law ne e kan say ekoba se wentumi anye de a esese wo mu se nia esi no anase delay na aba no enye da serious enye serious e bia betumi aka say few days bi se ko bia akoye 3 months 1 year na ade de a na akoye serious ti wo na ese wo mu se delay na aba no enye serious na uwie na wa kyerem sɛ wentumi anyɛ ema delay no aba efi sɛ ingyinasoɔ na wo no ɛtɔ asum na uwie a wa kyerem sɛ so yɛka wonsam ni nyinaa ɛboa ano a in all circumstances no ɛbɛtɔ asum sɛ empo sɛ wentumi anyɛ no ntam na delay no abɛtɔ so a ɛsɛ yɛma wa akwanya na utumi ɛyɛ appeal application no in the interest of justice and fairness na wetumi ama aban etumi ama court etie wo na wedi aboa wo ɛwso be kyerɛ mu sɛ refusal na yɛde refusal no nyinaso biara enim na ɛho nsunsuaso no ɛyɛ serious ama wo anase harsh ama wo ne wo family na wo awerɛhyɛmu sɛ wo de kɔ court a nkunimdie betumi epie mu aba santi ɔmo ka ne nyinaa mbom na ɔmo ma wakwenya sɛ wayɛ late nso nyinaso ɛwɔ hɔ santi ɔmo mmoa wo na ɔmo fancha wo na ɔmo ma wo kwan na yɛ wo application to appeal.
Oh, okay. Wow. Na chese senior tibia no sa now so you have say many betomo dia you can apply sa extension you can say also relief there been from sanction. Yes, once I want appeal so within that 14 days no na chese on be punish you no also you can use our punishment in the free ho na afi de nientia any say omo punish you evidence and answer hospital a ukoya and answer asem kura to wontia within that 14 days no when to me appeal na che say wo de nyina aka ho na wo de atum na omo yi sanction free so na afi de why yes appeal no lawyer da say na che say yenya no gradually kwan bia etibia no me gidi say after nchechre mu we no te bibi sa to a obetumi ejina so na waye wa appeal no yo na yenko yenim lawyer emre ko nso no say yetumi ti appeal na se na se ne be ya ye appeal a yehuni ebe ye okay yemfa no mako apply visa na ya refuse me well I not specific visa but ya refuse me na just say me negative decision no mama me ho kwan say I can appeal against say emre say ye nyamre no na lawyer enti benya ni sa no e de be na o say me dey involve just say me can involve na me brofo no bia me try say aba ni sa na me appeal dia na o say me dey ka ho na ama ma appeal no adane na be positive na say afei na omudi adekode no ama me mpacho
yo me da se bebre said dodo no a omoni BWF Solicitors edin kita ho no ya yenua Mackenzie dodo na friend Lord Mackenzie ono na dodo na ene no din kita ho efa appeal ho ewo yaso ye eho na ye ka appeal die na ebe twa se yebebo ne din na nia ewo mu no ne se so wo ye wa appeal no a wo form a wo de beye wo ba fill it and so be complete. Let me offer advice here. Say it may sound simple and straightforward because be a yebebo form so ya ka say form way ya ka say for way bra fa ye wa de no na even though it sound simple and straightforward no you're very technical and can be very complicated and you can miss a step. So auntie our advice say a tool says that we appeal and prepare we say we dey mate na me follow advice on the my radio so na me dey am after all no dey be it's not as simple as that but modern say we be lawyer na what the impress na American even extension application na we no kra no you have to quote case law to support that. Nti untumi nka wasam yo saa nyoma bebre ho esa we ye nti e besre se yesua de na mbom etu se ye bibia moma yentu anamo na yenkohu lawyer na omboa BWF de bia ya krado se ye beji na ye gina mu ama obi biara yo na se wo fill form no And that's a way you are there now. When our baby son was application, you refuse to chrome her, and I say outside. And I say, yeah, you chrome her, and I say outside. Form no a different. What they call first year tribunal, form so a different. What they call upper tribunal, so form no a different. And the forms no crano, you can miss that. Now when who form now, as we use to know our feeling in a kama. Obebi say, opa say asam no ye di no. Ebe to wano asam na ye de ka asam no a ye fa no oral hearing. Anasa opa say wo de nea wo de ku paper so no so a wo de beba na ye gina no so a na ye de aka asam no. Eno ye paper hearing. Nso na ewom ni say oral hearing no wo beko because we need witness. Wo be ginim edi wo aka wasam. So krom ha woni wo yire anasa woni nipa oba anasa whoever family member oboa no both the appellant and the sponsor will have to make themselves available at court because money witnesses evidence ye hia no ene mo a true na say outside there say nipa no ntumi ntu kwan emba krom ha no emba court ni nti ye ba ma nipa no a okwa akofa no eginam as witness amano at court. Nti saa nipa no bɛkɔ court na ya toto na no nsam na ye de atoto ho ahwɛ sɛ nea waka no ɛwɔ paper so ɛne nea ɔka ne sisie no sara ɛna ɛtia na ye frɛ no evidence in chief and even cross examination and re-examination to test na sama waka egu paper so sɛ ayampa ɔno na ogina mu so ɔkɔfa ne yere ne kunu ne ba anase whoever aba no na so we ye paper wo paper no so de a wo de beko wo be ye bibia wo paper so na wo de akọ eno no ye mfra wo se bra na ye ntoto wa no judge no be hwe wo nsam na wo paper no so na waje afa ba ko no so wo nsam a waka wo paper so eye fikasimfo na we reading ni nyina na de mra na atoto ho na we bua asam no so you don't have to be there nti wa wo hwe mu a mienu na esesa wo ho na yetie wenu asam na wo body language kra etumi boa na yeji wudi no ene ne a wuni ho kra yenim ne a ewo wadwun mu ne a nti a wo tro ne a wa tro wo paper so no you can see say baako ewo advantage esen baako even though mu nyina no eye forms of hearing no baako no emu odu sen the other one because ukọ ora no a wa wo kan wasam na omu hu say ampa wo kan no kra ewom ni nyinara na judge tumi tie oye nimpa na wetumi etie wuyi o de akwa adwendwen mu na waka say emre no endi amwa wo na so we paper dia judge no kra tumi bi o me bi sa wo but adwendwen mu ni say na adenchi na wa mba na wa maka wasam na wodi bibi egu paper so then na wo pese wo hide we ye betumi aba na adwendwen mu ba o me bi sa wo nti ora no aya na ye more advantageous than paper even though we hear paper in interest say wuntumi endi nkunim wo bedi nkunim anase wundi nkunim no ejina senia wo beka wasam akire judge na yo msami de besi hana so we be follow ups
emse yakike bia na trese ye be nya njina so senia be ya eba ne se ye ya appeal na yehu kwan a ye befa so na ya yesa appeal lawyer insem de bi dɔɔso na say once a time edwane pa no pese me ma etiefo nso ho kwan so ho ade no na ometumi abemu bi omo bemu na ye ni communicate to aso nti yenya a bit less cost and afi mismen with questions no aba tutua o se ne be ya be efe ebi mo ponko pentem me hu so mo tetete ahomanichi etwen enti no etiefo aha edwumedie legal hours so na eguso aye wo lawyer Asmah wa ha enene e ka appeal ho asem me kan ye obi afre ama wa bre kra mpacho mani abotre 1 second why enti ne etie ne sre mesre mo numbers no ensisa numbers ne 0203735820 and I say 0203 ye wo two WhatsApp lines ye de ye dwuma no sa WhatsApp lines no so no ubetumi afre no regular call as well mbia obetumi a friend WhatsApp abra wo outside the UK si na be easy ama na wo UK ha de ya na friend no normal call no na internet no anye ne ho stars bi so 077 879 39958 mesan esisu biom 077 879 39958 and a second number is 07596620154 ubetumi afre enon so sanso na ubetumi asend a message mekan amount na embia na ofre na wabre na onyam kwan a send a message bra WhatsApp line so 07787939958 mekan amount sanso and na ubetumi ja voice note ne nye say wo frɛ na akọ voicemail na weja message wo ho there bi enye no bi na mehwehwe ukọ voice note na akọ WhatsApp ho no uhu sa icon na eye microphone na wo ho na no we mia so no weja wo message fefefe na ma message ni nye tintin over 2 minutes eno sa na ya na ne bo na ya ye star bi na jan kan temtem so na bo ni tietiawa na fe yetumi abo ama na lawyer Asmah eyiwa no fefefe enti menya me first caller nyame nhyira say waba so kane misra wo frefre he na ye fra wo senso mayente wonka
oh my tea first landing here Pastor Family Richard
odofo
Pastor Michelle Asmah so the Pastor masem trying say madam to be na since last 3 years Officer Bahano as a tourist visa. Now, why just no, home office phone is way. No more, so what I will make yes, be boy, on the left and right, on the left and right, the or the registration with the car. For this year or prior, no, more say, home office phone, no, refuse no. Almost say, Banfa. Take it here, say, maybe also call London Bridge, take it here, say, or the Koran Fankan. The Linia can no, or the coy. Or the coy almost refuse to end say, Sika way, yes, and I can't to know a dose too much, you know, I refuse to know. For what reason? Go away, if we made my country, and I use my answer, yes, you can know. Sika in the man, the barman, and Bonnie, my own Sika almost 700 million. I want to count 700 million. Yes, it's going to walk back. 700 million. A Juma, Elko, Airbank, and class, and you know, idea is canon. Yes, be our obesity or quadruple tumor. But almost if one say, where you scarce, I can't be too much, you know. Because way enough if you can't do too much, you know. Monfa, any man. Just one say, ain't to me a print into no. My refusal for that reason.
Okay, order for lawyer wa how be you no na or your application from Ghana e de baha na oh
yeah mpachwa
asemo e na the bus pass nyina o mo hwehwe bus pass no
ai bibia je samo
Ghana ye full bus ye my bus ticket na minimum me bisa keke yo na Asmah asem we dia me bibi na ja mo na maye mpanimfo mesrew na asemi de na ye ka fa ho
yo I'm saying you or share experience or misa asam and we make a suggestion or perceive na ye kan ha asem ya na fekasin for na omo ye no bi na order na di se ni nua bi su sa na order or fame you see application for visa to visit the UK no and as applications ni na no ya na obenu beka say discretion omo hwehwe mu a na omo hu say ehia say omo de mama wa omo de bema wo say ehia omo mfa ma wo na omo amo ne enti a omo feel say ehia say wo baba at that time titiru visit visas because visit visas dia say na ye kan no bebrenu ano untimi nya right to appeal. Enti wo na ese wo prove say ampa wo kwa wo baba back abeye na wo ye wo ukrom bibia ni ho a eba ma wo kwa wo mba because omususu say obi okobia no okọ na omma biem enti wo na ese wo prove say ampa wo kwa na waba then I would be prove then I will ye will crew more HLS ampa. Who want for swama, Santi Ukwa, a ben here so beba. Because Ukwara Okwaka hono, and then Uf Kruma Uwano. It's far better than so be crum than so be Conwaka Kaho. Into more better Yaman, San Yamina, a better to home. Senior Okano, we say, the bus pass. Now, Nipa know about visit Payana.
Richard, lawyer bisa say nipa no aba visit pen wa ha say ana. Oh, say Richard dey atoso. Oh.
Okay. Because senior Oka bus pass now at the end. In fact, Nipa no them say wa visit pen into evidence say oh, me buy me call Trafalgar Square, me call London Bridge, me call London Eye na ade nyina or the evidence aka ho. Na aya na bebre no ye ba visitor bibi inti aya yentumi enko tamo aye kan say ebe ye bebe di na yakono eza wo ye application a wo pese wo create impression say wo ye saint santi beka say ebe bi say wo kwa wo kodi mra ahen so wo mi ko 2 weeks
yes
and I say 3 weeks
ene
na ya ma 6 months visa
ye nyina ya ka bi pen
ya di ma wi ara so me 6 months 3 weeks di so me kwa me di be 6 weeks meji me leave account na ma akwa na maba ukwa na wo ba ya no na ukwa ya another application na e bi say oh this time ukwa obedi mra he also this time so me di 3 weeks na ya dey a catch out say oh na kan na ukwa ya no kra no ka say 3 weeks ukwa no ko di 5 weeks wo na sa nyoma nkitinkiti no a yeni emba so no omode awen into wo your application for visit cra omo ma 6 months into be say wo call be how many weeks so mo de ba ma wo mo de ba ma wo in 3 weeks ni 1 week na obeka no into but into so obeka say bia 2-3 weeks no but me cra say 2-3 months and no ma more weeks than just saying say 2 or 3 weeks because more often than not no unless say wo bia ampa over 2-3 weeks we might be a business meeting bi or back short holiday bi any idea but onte saa de a aya na mo doubt bebre say nipa we bibia ni ho a okwa obama no aden aba back into evidence a wo de be kɔ no aya ebe hia say ebe ye bebre to prove say on a balance of probability no you are more likely to come back than to remain in the UK.
Okay. Yo, say obeti. Obi adofo bi nso ahoma ne so. Patwa wa ahoma no so. Ye fro say na okasa free.
Good morning. Me family Linda. Patwa me here inquiry kakra. Me wan we EU ni na me nyame kwata in February. So a buyer no mama from 2021 to 2026. That is 5 years. But you're right. In junior, they apply for a new one. Na new one a buyer no. Mommy from August to 2021 to December 2024. Now, and on the sheet now, I can't want to hear the bam. From August 2nd, 2021, all biometric card issued and will have an expiring date no later than 31st December 2024. The Mentias I didn't tell Abanisa. Mama me up to 2026. Mama me up to 2024.
Okay, last patwa in Kandie.
Let's 2024 no starting point in year 2021.
Starting point in 2021.
Okay, tonight akwa say close to be about 3-4 years mu.
Yes.
About 4 years and something.
4 years and something. But I would say EU SS ADNB.
So I settle.
Now could a EU family permit.
So I'm a family member, a wife of an EU.
No, first time I had the card number one, I said, now old one be now. Ukoye EUSS.
My name is Ghana passport. Minya biometric card for the first time under the EU settlement scheme. And then you're right, and to report here as missing. For the new one, ban. Up to from August, from the date of issued, which is August, to December 31st, 2024. Now, sheet means also if the expiring date of your biometric card is 31st December 2024, but your permission to stay ends later than that date, not need to report it as an error. Immigration status entitled to work, access to service or benefit, travel to are unaffected.
All right. Okay. Now, a woman say, this is your first application. But you working with 5-year period. How many years in here?
About 2017, sorry.
About 2017. In terms of residence, no time we are there we now wundi 5 years. Until we are limited no meboa. Because you just have to count your 5-year limit, you know, and it's a period, you know. And say time when you did in between 2024 and I didn't be uno. We travel 5 years, we bet me make applications. I feel there we travel 5 years, you know, until bet me a day, because you need to count to attain your 5-year residency, you know. And what me chair now, bet me move on to make a switch application from pre-settled to settled.
Okay, 2024 no so make me apply for settlement.
Now me can say, under normal circumstances, you have 5 years pre-settled. Usually pre-settled near 5 years. Would you know what's in your mother and do 5 years? No, maybe 5
years and then 9 months. 4 years and 9 months.
4 years and 9 months. And I just say nearly 5 years. The point in is that time no be do no. So person we training in now was so you still can make your application for the next leave, which will be the settled status, and I say settlement, you know. Now that's the indefinite. Now, even before that time, you know, because what's now for from 2017 up to that time, you know, baby, and I say, so to me, and we say, I feel the winner of 5 years, and 2% will make you switch, we to me, I application, no to say, tell me, the man no do 5 years. So I'm talking pre-settled, but I feel the what's no more 5 years are bad, I say, I broke. Santi, your application to switch from pre to settled status.
True. Thank you so much, Madam.
Among someone work it out until no more 4 years and 9 whatever, no. But that shouldn't be too much of a worry. Why? So still I know how I do. When maybe I war, wait me allocate here. Many ever my number now afraid na. What the letter no, what the braille no, so that we know the exact content of the letter. Why?
Yo, mommy, nyame sure why?
Sure.
Embo hu crowd home office for say and say omo more sika nti no omo twa days ne so ana e wuntam no asa be fufuro no etiaka tricks nkwa. Anyway, like lawyer kai
US as in crana ya na you free.
Free boy.
Yeah, free.
Say still now per se omo ye bibi wo ho dia ene omo number ne ye me can say 0208 493 7340 BWF Solicitors omo street board number no.
Okay.
Into friend no a na wo hia mo e bia o metumi aboa wo ho. Why?
Too much
yo. Yes, that's it. Obi afra ma wapa ba de atoso. Pacho wa na wo frɛ no betumi assign afrebium. Say obi kasa sa na I mean to me found. Let's say wo frɛ on a different number. I've given about 4 numbers. Into wo frɛ ba ko na I engage and I mean pick here. Call the other ones. They are all active and no pay. Me did say ni na active. And you know, 0203735880 and I say 0203286085. Obey to me so afre WhatsApp numbers no, and now obey to me the voice note so abam pacho wow free Ghana no. Also obey to me assign afre biom. Yeah, that's so. Yo, yeah, so ewa home so hello pacho. You say now what as a friend. I until.
Pacho, I'm the director na me earlier na for the phone cast no.
Okay. But say lawyer Mao once nana.
Phone check idea. Anyway, man, today but o de me go back akakwete. But me check akra bi e wo but many pardon no mba hada. nipa ne mba hada nipa no ne new application or or started 2018 no call no or man farmer no or more different story and all but transfer any mistakes in not
or the call 20 lawyers man on say a bit strange because Ghana the minim say ye bus pass trotro and taxi and na Ghana or see on back from hada
on one original see you start say o see know the bus pass call here
there be me pacho there tell say one for bus pass almost say sikana e fin account for current a current way no more year no okay previous one no almost say about one tre about come here no ma car obey you sooner like or they are around into no obuki sa EU say something early addition or something like maybe meeting
right
yes obuki the car now no obuki the car and all you the car since so almost say must refusing to say kind of want a bank statement now or you grow criminal my draws too much it's no more refusing no let's say what can't no more now I work can't do man for say dia say me ba na say dia can me deny be to say me fam ba me kroma sika e be ka no and no work can't no more me sika me yes my account me there and there say there you funny kakweti and no one just so much say they refuse no and now me say no I print no bibia na my just no to refuse.
Yeah, well, the woman says, and I did kind no, Ayana, Nipa no your application, no, Nipa na or make a decision, no, has the discretion, say, okay, Nipa we, your man of crime and now holidays, and I say, yeah, man of crime, then extra so call by any idea. And to be a union knows or building a bank account, no, well, Ubi more person to quite within a short time, no, Sikano come, where shall a Juma or Yano. And ye juma emu du esa sika bebre tumi ba nti na ya na eba o madwun mu se kwan a ye pese ye tuni nti na ye pepe bosie bi etotototo sika account nu mu na ye tumi approve a point ana se sika no kwa na we kwa bi a wakobo obi bosia na wo da kotum nipa no akese okay me de kotum 2 weeks me ya ma wo because me de build them account wo da kotum 2 weeks no we ya ade no boom na wo de amani pa no na foforo nsa kotum so muhu saa ni nyina no aya na o ma adwunu ye won na say nipa we dan na o pa akere because o prayer say obeko mpacha wo say o prayer say obetu kwan no ntia ya na o ma ye doubtful kakra nti wunua no betumi afa ahwe so betumi akos abesuku di a obetumi ahwe say obeye student application once senior wo kire o wosika obetumi ye twa school fees ni ade nti obetumi a try no nso
okay, because the more you need to yes, dear or quality scanning through one. Can get I can't
say, near yet if you bet me a car, and no more yanning yet, no more yanning about solution in a year pay ama uniano. And the Rebecca will not change Nipana or make a visit application review any decision, nudging. Into Nayashan says, I know more country union dear. And the union for another direction.
Alternative now.
Why?
Okay. Maybe home not there one no.
Richard, so I share program lady.
Oh, that's it. I just explain na my work libre. That's it. Yo,
okay. Bye-bye. Yo, order for one man so. Ona money ye and be C044. But when I do so, C044.
Yo, good morning. Me bacho metia what here for and no young so mtiani pa. Me bacho na power the question kakra bi na me pepe mi misa. Emma my sister. Me bacho me sister ni kunu aba na mama no 2.5. Free Ghana ne buy na 2.5 no ebe wu nyame ya adoma match na opese who say time ben na e was the application for no etum na afin no COVID-19 na ase na asa almost say nyama asesa kakra na opese who say obetimi aye super priority meaning say san ye friend na same day, and I said the next day, and I said 5 days. To say that's all for spouse visits. No, with me yes, express one Nibiana, and see that question when you put who say that Ben I will be what's the earliest time I will be to me the application as to my money kuno, and the next thing is I'll be me a priority and as a super priority and if I show me question is a must.
Yo, lawyer.
Yo, Medasi Bebre, you know I would de asemi a buyer. Near woman said, the visa no be March 2022. I'm running say 28 days to the date visa no be no. Obey me aya application from day 1 to the 28th day. No, obey me an application atum. See, I best say we need to an amount from February 2022. So per se eboa no a obetumi etu anamo na webehuyen na ya tena se ama no paperwork ni nyamanyama obehia ni nyina na wagada ni nyina egu ho before 20 days no a ade ni di bewu no ebe sha ase na anye ahopepere ema no na in terms of priority and I say premium no kan no na ho pa ba se na wo boss no covid ni nti ama eno no akofo mu kakra na melina sa wo ye Ukutia, we application we na wutia, or maybe say standard and I say premium. Into which you see premium, we be tier premium bo. Na say ukubukua, we be tier premium bo. Not just say we dey opt for premium. So which you see standard, and not just say which you see open standard treatment. Now we go for the standard way, you know. But whether premium or standard no, me dear aya na me hune say. We your application no before our visa no be wa. Che kra na wo ye no before na wotumi ye before our visa no be wo no. Betumi aya kwesita ma wo visa ebeba. Santi
akwantu won anim nti na opese ye super because
akwantu e won anim
I was oko ai but enu ona na visa ni ba be wu nti e was o renew anfa ti opese ye super priority no.
Yeah, which is fine. And I mean, obia NC a quine, obetumi aye na me can say. Even though I can say priority and I say premium no. Depending on the circumstance no, you may betumi a delay and some who say bibi anko the way na echo ewo nyoma na what they can application no ho a omotumi e slow down e hwehwem na omo back e bebi say ho ensam e ma wo di ebi e ka ho e ma o Emma won. Enti premium no interest say we mistake kra and say nyoma no endorse kra o mebu emu ani eguso. Premium no say bibia e won ada na kwan mu dia o mu waste time o be treat you senior e kan no premium service.
Okay. If I talk me question back, meaning say 3 or 4 years ago, me nyaketwa e bisa na omo de corriding office. Then and then a decision was taken. Sa at the end one of my friend premium na.
I don't know your friend. Oh yeah, I know my friend premium. I know my friend premium. I was like, no. You are talking about 4 years time. That time now you dream info about COVID, and all of a sudden COVID everything. Jamasa service no akufum CCA because when we reduce premium way because I need a face to face. We be counter. Yeah, service. Kaneno na wo kwa Ghana kra obekwa counter na ye de visa ma wo ende unhu nimpa no biem ye se kwabo nsa no wo moving pick na ye se kofie ade no ba ye se beje obekwa na ne ewom no wo na wo behu unhu visa immigration nkrofo no biem enti nyoma no the same process no nyoma slow down ewo premium ho no ewo aha enso enti Intina make us say, obetumi aye premium service, all right, but because of the way anyoma air cost is saying no, it's not guaranteed say. Sada no ano ne sabe de ebetumi enya ni treatment and I say service now open.
Okay, you. If I talk, yeah, that's the fine. I'm not sure I'm fine. I'm one.
Lawyer ya semo semne de edos ye na covid abesisa nneoma nkasa abesisa nneoma na ye did say emrepa beba emrepa na besan ba yo yewo obako for so ni way wa ha audio na membo na nsa na mebo no person ka me kan ni message ba ko e wa ha nsa na makan mabo audio no or say good morning or say how can I apply for a British passport please, how can I apply for a child British passport who was born before one of her parents was granted ILR, indefinite leave to remain? And I said, wow.
Aye. Yo, Judy say, obey a walk room ha. Now, the woman is say, because the senior boss, no, time I walk na or my me and I saw papa any. I want to also believe say senior work no parents no at the moment no back and our sharp no for a single parent. That's a single parent I feel we be an indefinite leave to remain. Now, oyakwala santi obeye bibi a yefre no registration ama akwala no. So your registration ma akwala no area. Akwala no ba be British citizen. Now akwala na nkase gina na British citizen registration certificate no eso. Now they are here the passport.
All right, yo. Next question, Ansana. Or say, if you have a LTR, VNE, LTR need the idea. Nancy terms
leave to remain.
Oh, back on into I near indefinite.
It's likely to be limited leave to remain. Come back by ILR, indefinite leave to remain.
Sure, okay. Yo. Neo can say if you have a LTR VNE in your old passport to be expired in 2 years, but attached to your new passport, is it right for employers to demand you transfer it into residence permit? Please, what's the name of the form to transfer into residence permit card? Thank you. The question here, like Asmah.
Yo, now a woman said, "No beer no work hard, and you beer na your man or residence card, and that's our residence card. A binu so one visa no ebo or more passport. You say no account of it no ebo or more passport. You know stamp no ebom, and the stamp no ebom no who compare juma." And now, more or less automatically, be able to be no, as I would call our passport, you know, because with this, I know passport, you know, are combined. And now, old passport, you know, and I work passport for usually, we have passport for over application, no my transfer to the new passport. Now, so per card no, a residence card, over application for residence card. Now, a more transfer no. This is a stamp no. Now you are converting it to card no amao. But no, I just say okay, bow and san no. Now we are dealing na send your friend your kind of biometric no. Now mind you we ni and san no yama na omodi aye card no amao. Enti oko internet so now oko bo transferring vista stamp and say net to a residence card. Ube reading ya ohu ni nyina na wehu anamon a ubetu nso etu anamon na wekohu lawyer na lawyer ahwe na waboa o yama ya ho kwan oba ye behwe ama o.
Okay, lawyer Charles yedase questions ni bebre e wa ha na numbers I did dwuma na ensesa 0203-735-8820 0203-2AC0185 Mesremo obetumi di aba obisi mebebo intino yentie ni we no
ojeko magneti ojeko saneyeli lo Minkpa bofai wa yesane bi mo fio ko ke ha ina ne henyoko ni wokele yo manemi esane eji a indefinite leave to remain niji afibo ye ewolo no she akeshi a old passport no ni bia ne passport egbo she afibo na hale egboko ameke bagbo wole bagbo in afienyo ni baba ne ni akesh wo ake attach ke wo any passport mi esane eji enu tumo na etu ameke da bi she esane eke wo biometric card no ni sene eke moko wale ke fe application mo ni wale ke fe epe home office bi tumo oha enyo kefa ni agbele hu akeb
Asma, enkra na oka no me ma poso no mpacha ote ase.
I just how interpret mami.
Okay. And then na maybe sana because kasa no koye tintin a embia na me lose bi.
Okay.
Enti me poso se na be ya na we di kan no.
Me indefinite, me biometric. Me transfer.
Say na dey ya
I know they brofo.
Enti no ma me nhye entwenkwa chekitu bi na me kyerɛ wase wo ho no mpacho.
esane eji indefinite leave to remain niji afibo ewolo no she akeshi a old passport no
I'm sure say a question na nipa ko ni send ba baby ba ko na me kan no say or indefinite leave to remain e woni old passport mo.
Oh, okay. Nti no na odaba ewo ha no.
O se me mbo audio no but em say no until the mento aso.
ni bia ne passport egbo she afibo na hale egboko ameke bagbo wole bagbo in afienyo ni baba ne ni akesh wo ake attach ke wo any passport mi esane eji enu tumo na etu ameke da bi she esane eke wo biometric card no ni sene eke moko wale ke fe application mo ni wale ke fe epe home office bi tumo oha enyo kefa ni agbele hu akebook appointment ya na UK cast UVKV cast GB yo ni amehele ehwe £1 ni shikwe efe oha enyo ni egbena hu aka application na efe his efe valid ewo bia na pa file wa efe desperate eto ni gbe ni ji form gbe ni ke ba fi application na eko
Me sure say one answer question no but or insist say me mbo na ti ase no enti ne opa che say otu esika e ma ye koye obi say lawyer bi okan obi dia definitely could be a lawyer and now omo ka so nkobo ne nsa no or UKVI for mo ye nsa no biometric ni ade na ye nye ebi ma no and no so tia sika boy na che say almost £200 e bibi afei ya ye bibi ewia ye see afei de enye valid enti sisi a no say che say o so san ye because o hia ade na ye dwuma nti obi sa form kra or say or feeling na omfanye saade no
eshika fe eta o fani wa mindumo mi hale
sike nyina sa nti nka opese ono a eye etu hu anamo omfamfo bia so nti lawyer say bibi wo ho a obetumi asa
aka opese o ye indefinite leave to remain application
opatre say eno no wo ni old passport ni mo eno de enwu ye ba passport ni na ewu no mo patche say onko yi mfa nkoto biometric card so enti otu ho anamo ekọ UKVI for no no mo nyema no waye bibie wi afi de mo si enye valid enti onsa anya foforo biom enti sisi a oniska yaje ne oniska nyina
opese o ye application na me ka ba ko no ukọ internet no so a na wakọ Google transferring your visa stamp in the passport to a biometric card.
Okay.
What form do I use? Google no be do nkomo bebre. Wo be tie nkomo ni nyina. Na we di Google echi. Na we hu form a wo be use na wo de aye ade no. Nti wo be wie no wo be buku na wakwaye biometric no. Na after that no application no okodo obi enimu a we make a decision na let's just say ebaba no enye visa our stamp no mu biem na mbom ebe wo card no eso nti form no mpacho kwa internet no so na kwa type hwem senya wo pen no ebe yi aba na wa hwehwem na wehu the right one no.
Okay, you lawyer that's it. So in chenu keji obo to you send a message or keji obo to beni lawyer egla me ke ya ata Google ke ote Google we dey me professor bi na I say if you can't find it Google it. Enti ya Google ni o type ake transferring your lawyer there where the mpode na okay transferring your visa into a biometric so into the koha kekete jeme Google ba je ni bi kumene kele ba agbasani Google kele ba agbasani fi a video will pop out, you listen and then you follow the instructions on it. Then no ba fe free e habo ke agbe na ote UK VIB e ko ya fe no na hwe o keji no ko no hihie o ba anya ni osan o type ke ba echo. I believe say lawyer we dey obeti ase. Okay, yenhwe me nua ba nso de o say me nua ba mampo o say hi. My 2.5 years leave to remain expires on 30th September 2021. I've made a fee waiver application about a month and a half ago. My questions are, 1, how long does it take for a decision to be made on fee waiver application? Number 2, how can the decision be communicated to me? Is it via email or post? Question number 3, if I don't get the decision on my fee waiver application and my leave runs out on 30th of September, how do I demonstrate to my employer that I have the right to work in the UK? We Bema or Free Dagenham and what type of questions yeah, but until I ask my one or when patcho.
That's you need kind of how long no policy say we application no it will take 6 months from the date of application no but yen na no yen hunu na etiti the answer says 6 months na etumi bro because say you fee waiver until ya you expect say be in term na wait me there second application I main application no enti say also we are 2.5 months near and I say 2 months and I say 1 month yes we are nche bebre there na che say omo ehwehwem so omo wa asem bibisa omeba wo ho na ombe bebisa wo. Now that takes us to your second question. Because your application umbisa o say correspondence, any email address, and this anya manyama no. Sa anamo no so no mbefa so mu hia wa omode beba wo nchen. Enti by email or by post sa na se na wo de ma won no sa na omode bebre wo so omode decision no e bre wo a ana so omope bibi na ompese mbisa wo ho ensam a. Ana so we your application no na decision no ba e dey some dey be ma wo and some make say dey be because won qualify because of sika ba wa account mu ne e ba ebusua no ensem so kwaba so mo so mo mfa ma wo a o ma ba wo 10 days tam mo email wo no o ma ma wo 10 days say afi your application no ne tua sika se wo tua our application no ho no. In this time, no service say it doesn't really matter because a county continuously from time I would hear fee waiver application. Until breaker, person will avoid any say. On what the bamao, and that's one farmer, no mamma 10 days to say, for you new application. Now be jail to 10 years, 10 days, no bill, now 1 year. Let's just say you have deliberately chosen not to take advantage of that grace period. No, gap abeda o visa no emu. Now, so your application no, all you need is confirmation say why your application no. Now, what the number no ama employer say what why your application wo number no ni. Employer for be free fake for be someone say ampa nipa yen or ye adwuma manyen. O say why your application sa na tia na. O me confirm we a Omama won kwan se omonfa wo omoni wo enkoso enye ejuma kosita ma wo visa no ombe decide na omodi another 2.5 years and answer whatever abrel. So it will continue from the time you made your your waiver application up to the time was final application and that's the main application decision no, the employer will do what we call employer check-in service through the Home Office Central portal online. No mama confirmation as a verification sampa. You have the clearance to continue or not. Either way, no, make sure so this no enwu. And I say, which me your application so mo deal with waiver decision no ebrewa. So which me here no kwa there's no way I want to me enkoso enye ejuma senior wo ye no sisi no. Now want to me ye ne say obokwa say wo pay ejuma foforo because ejuma foforo no baka say twen wo decision no eba. Na ejuma dada ne de emra ne hye won say ese say omoto aso a kosita mu a wo visa no beba anasa wa wo baka say wo mpa ejuma no ebiem depending on your contractual arrangement.
Okay. Yo, lawyer yada say mesa bobo studio numbers ne so biom 0203-735-8820 and now says 0203-286-0185 na obi bisa. Sometimes I prefer so be frame mobiles no so no sound na na better mami. 075 966 20154 Ufra Yebipija Nea ya answer man as 077 879 39958 Pacho so beat ya no apini atu ama me why na omo bisa no na omo ehu lawyer yebe koso na before me share next question no mami acknowledge ya dofo no ma ehwe yen kakra no mo amowo BWF Solicitors for Facebook ne so nyina nyame nhira obi bia ye nuaba nana agimai edu ho dada we hu se wa cha mab na Ruby Boabene Yaro nyame enhyira George na sewa bonso onso nyame enka ho yedama se ni de bia mobaso ebe share program no ema ne ye hit ma yeda se Samuel Mreku na ubisa studio na manem se ma repeat it into no me sure say by now there we enya studio numbers no so wonya crowd bet me afre number we sisi 077 879 39958 ofre so ubenya yen na ode ya kasa Hen Vlad note or say thank you or that say ya boachi agimai thank you for the free legal education. Indeed it's free na utie na ufemu nsema ebedi aboa ubebre enti monkoso na monshezeka Johnson enso so say free ampa wait test it
oyo do manyeti nywa
Damasi wo adia ye man no answer lawyer de man no yenhwe obenso di semo de ba ahase ya na aye bibi kakra okay say no questions now or the ba WhatsApp na no asan de aba ye kan sen enti yenhwe ye next question wo himpo odwane akoshe baby. Okay, lawyer Asmah, wait there before I read it. No, my main bisa media will be there back to me. Me sister be na owo kromo ha order 10-year route no so. Order 10-year route no so na nyomemu ya ye din kaka any say me kan nyomemu ya ye din na chere say 10-year route no order so no. Nyame adom nyame achene ma beye I think owonkwala beye 4 sisia 3 or 4 Mrs. Steve fache bi se manke ne yia ba omo nyina ye nkwala na yamano no ye kan say recourse to public fund EB na metime ho say oye adwuma de ba nkwala miensa na nkwala 9 no kura no ama nyomemo ye dene amane pa to the extent say kakra say ne ho kafo ede bana noa no mo de bibia mode na o bisa say enti we no bibia enu a obetumi aya fa ho ne yi saa no cost to we no public fund ye free so na me see oh e kwan da hɔ bro so na ene opese ohu kwan ben na ofa a obetumi yi saa no recourse to public funds no na at least ne ho asensan ne kakra lawyer Asmah.
Yo me da se bebre ye nua wo de asem we baaye ye hwe se kwama afofo anso na ewo minister se na wo kan nkwala wom santi case law eboa se nkwala ne nti aban behwe na we yi saa condition no efi wo so na wetumi enya aban mmoa na wo de ahwe nkwala no na esese wo prove se no kre se ahokire ewo ho wo be na we prove usika eba wo nsem ene wo kunu ensem so woni wo kunu na tie ebusua no ahen na munya every month na ebusua no ahen na mo spend every month na ahen na eka ekire na den na modi na eka ekire no edeye so bi ka ekire die a na kire se we nya visa application obaka se enso ntu ntumi ntua bi ka ekire die na kire se wo surplus enti mutumi hwe mo ho ya me adom so bi nka ekire die a na kire se busia na abre nyina mobo na mudi ehwe mo ho eno no ede atete o how bebre mo ti o mehwe ni nyina na ne ewo mu nie sometimes ebi a wukunu anasa wara sika eba wo nsem no wanka se wadwuma a wo ye no ebi a na eye wo de enka ne se eye £1 na eba ena we de kasa kwam ebi a na sika bi so eba efise adwuma no even though o say we adwuma wa ha say bi a 2.5 so bi o wa ha we bi so wa ha we bi o ha we bi wa ha se bebi a sika no fi eba no na nimpa na sika no fi ne so eba no ehia the first say sika no ba wa account mu no and they say eba be show pocket o say man be show pocket o it doesn't really matter because eba wa account mu I say wa account for it and he say ko ba say sika no ewo ho na wo o sika no ye mienu na mu ba ko pe na eba minsem ba ko ne de enhya da ma minsem die a ye ngi ntum saa because eba wo account mu na ebia eye wo enai so na enam edeba nti mama yenhye eno no enso teturu yin a ye adoye bebre no e kan saa me hye se ye te ase
Matias ye lawyer
nti se bibia di adanse se ampasika na eba ni so a enso ekawa ewo efie no a ye fra no outgoing no a na ye bedi ne nkwala ne bedi na mo behye ne nkwala ne behye edan ka ne ade nyina no a na kire se ekwa akoye se ahokire ewo pa and there is imminent destitution sa na etie de a emra no makwan se mo be ya application na mo yi sa aban eyi sa condition no efi mo so na mo tumi enya aban akwanya na ade aboa enkwala no te be hia pa se o document no bibia be di adanse
hold on mama why baby I would see now hold it mama mema to us in a minute. Na mom yadofo na omotie yen wo tune in any radio ne so no 11 ne boy ya ebeko off na eko off no nchesi ewie ye wo just next 5 minutes to run everything up nti mo amo friend we dem ani di mu memfa obi a course biom because radio no eko off na mom Facebook and YouTube no no lawyer bet take that opportunity after giving the final explanation to question me bisa no na or so the no the beja no they ato so nti if you turn to the Facebook and YouTube na misro ubenya yen last words no ho nyame hira obi bia mo betie wo tune in any radio no so nyame nka mo ho yo lawyer yen running up na o ka ma me ne de no mpacho koso me
nti nyame kan say ubetuma ye application for the condition to be removed nembom esese we make sure say ampa sika na eba no esua santi ne esese muhia a mode betena abrabo no ebekọ se ne ekọ no enye for fanciful activities nembom ne amobedi ne amobehye bebi amobada ne sa anwoma na ehia abrabo mu no muntumi enya efise sika ne suade a aban behye na we yi condition no efi ho ama ho na mo ye responsibility say ube prove say ampa na woka no sara na etie to bank statement ni na no ye behwem na sika ebem bia no yetumi explain say we kwa ha we fi ha na ni na no kabomu a enso eka omobo ewedidie ni edan ene interrelation no kwala no hwe emu eno yo menua na amsa whilst we are going to wrap up, no, let me touch a couple of things. You can't appeal one some now. You won't, as I say, a team for now, I shall fall into a who said. Appeal process, no, we shall see. You will be a fan of court fee. Court fee will be at the moment £140, which you are court. This say you back one 140 million times the number. And no back court to her. Now court, I follow through our application process no. Sarah enso na wo be hia barrister. Nti barrister nso be boa ejinemu ewo mra kwan no so no so. Eno nso barrister no obia ne nea oyen ye ho no barrister fee no eye £400. Eno nso no wo betua. Nti wo kan bomu ana che say ye miensa nea wo betua ma solicitor ubetua ma barrister ene na ubetua ma court ni nyina no eye different ti mo ma yan hye eno nso wonti ase a na wa bomode na wetumi ebisa na wati ase eyie kwa ya na bidodo na feel say so mutua solicitor ni fee ni wie a eno ano no saa sika na bi na ede betua court na ade de bi nyen ye ho ne say ye de na different na court de no ene barrister de no wo ya the invoice no brewa na wetua am direct because a person wa humu na we need die etire na we need enigye say ampa bebi asika na say ekobia no wa edi etire ema wo say ampa ekọ ema wo na evidence nso a wo be hia de application no so very important na wo de koye visa application na ye refuse ye no ene number 1 ena ne ebegu etire after the refusal no so number 2 ni nyina no wo de baba na de aka ho de anasa wo de beka wa application ho na wo de akọ court aye free bibi bundle sa bundle no ye document ahodo a wo de beka wo de ba hihye mu na wo de akoto court enim wo be bibi aye free no witness statement wenum nsam a wo de begu nkrata so ene nimpa no aye refuse no so nenum nsam a ye de begu nkrata so de akoto judge no enim ene ye free no bibi ye wo bibi so ye free no grounds of appeal eno no solicitor no obehwe na wode tintim nkrata so based on the law no fafa mra ne bi eko ahyehyehyem ema no edi emu na waka che judge say eto asum say ye de ade appeal beto wenim na yenjina so enie nti ni nyina no very very important say wa na wo ye wade a obehwe say ni nyina wa hwe aye say lawyer na edi wenim no aye de a lawyer obehwe say wa ye ni nyina kama na aya court ema about 48 weeks. 48 weeks na yehwehwemu ye kan ke bi about 1 year. From the time we appeal no we appeal kotumu up to time we be fresh ye kodi asam no it will take about 48 weeks. Nti moma yenhwe no enso na ehu se eyemre ne otwen. Nti we di tumu ano enkyere se ekena na ye frɛ asam no. Na eye court nti untumi mfrɛ mi se na yen frɛ court na mi se won se da ban because court there untumi emfa phone calls empusupusu won saa se na ye home office for no ti moma yenhye ni nyina enso na yen se embre ewom otwen ewom na se wonya embre ne otwen ne honhom no de a ende ne a eye wo de biara no ebepie aba ema we die ewie epeye
sa emre ni otwen honhom okita no bi di a se ne tie bia wonsa beka ne ohwehwe yo lawyers man ya ben show. On this note, no, ye be running up na afe ya sorry ya nanso ne yeko. Na mbom ye oka menua ba ne de no na eka ba bi kitue bi na mpese nka wo hwe se ehope no sa no recourse to year ono ankasa betumi aye na se o se ode ma lawyer ono na ehia me pa. So no abaye nso a process na ye da form ana ne ye de.
Yo application ni nyina no wa obetumi aye na ewo mni say obetumi agete no wrong enti na ya ye de kwadan nkrofo omote ase omunim mra no na omode mra bi wo no because na wo kanko ene ne mra support enso enko nti wo de kwadan mra ye ni a mranim ni a ye ode mra no ebe support no na ato asum se ampa mra no hye won se we nyina di adanse se ahokire wo hode a ese se ye yi ade ni fi ho wa obetumi aye ba bia na wo no wenya mra wo de be support no na wa kan wi o saa nti yes obetumi aye na mbom make sure say won't get it wrong.
Okay. Yo, let's man, Yamen Shrow. I don't for Mobeti in Yamen Shram na Mumfan Chairman, so one man from calls, yeah, but you know, Miss Remo Mumfan Cheme, na emret near Didi Juma, and tis a many Susana me fire explanation will eat into somebody else time. Intina, na radio hands, so sorry, na obifu from so eba betnase. Into Yamen Shram, Nemom ye wahano, and no interest ye. The community and the law, basu ochna, basu gidi, basu fe, basu Kenya na mesre say me about 4 or 5 questions be or ha. Meant to me anking kayama lawyer no ochna miankasa me sua ade ne gu krentes na me de call the community and the law so na me go bisa wo ho no kire say me srewo na ochna be come home the community and the law BWF Solicitors for omo Facebook live and YouTube live and so Instagram just say all the social media no brana beka ye ho na yem pense we have solid 2 hours to talk about stuff na me gidi say before the curtains will come to a close no now wonso wenya kwenya ebisa wo question na answer ohwehwe no won saka we are dealing with expert lawyers. We are dealing with lawyers omuya abenfo. We are dealing with lawyers when you look at their record history now, not just say they've been practicing, especially their senior partner. No say see akra 30 years, so 30 years to see no meka or 30 years in legal matters. Na wo akwala akra na onya 30 years say the wenya na council and just say what be wo mu ye. These are the lawyers we are dealing with. BWF Solicitors inti mesrew ochna bra na beka ye ho ochna exactly 4 o'clock Saturday 4 o'clock to 6 p.m. Or a year ko or party ko that will be after intimacy brana beka ye ho na ye pense mranimu na onso sabeka wodi nyame nhramo nyina se mo beka ye ho Priscilla Japan Nyame nhyira wo say thank you so much doctor. Auntie Priscilla nyame nhyira wo so why ye beka samabna agree wo so nyame nhyira wo ve covenant grace na obi bisa numbers no me bobo e na de se me ya de na lawyer na de me bobo ya no, I'll keep on improving. Why? Me can be na ntowa so mun so a ne nyina ye hira fa che me. Lawyer Asmah ye be sorry ye na so akọ. E de nkra na odi gyae ansa ye akọ.
Yo etiefo ne ahwefo ena nso ye de obi biara ase se modi ose aye oyo na ye nyinara abom na ye edwumei. Na ye kan no kra ne se why your application na we feel say you refuse na enta asumu a. And that is not the end for modern to an amount because you may have a right to appeal. So the man on dia modern na exercise that right. Now we nim in the pay able to me appeal aba. Appeal no say obeto boss na wa de nyoma toto nkrata so na woda koto judge nim ma judge edi aboawo. Man pepero ho say wa obetry say obeye wade. Even though obetumi aye no aye eboa say obepa obi a onim imra na otemra na se na waboa wo no wesuso wasen na ode ne ase so ode ka ho bi aka ho na ode akwadan judge no ama wo emre no ese say yenya no ye about 48 weeks from the time ye application until mama yen share no so na eka no a ewo ho no court fee especially any barrister fee any solicitor ne sika and so na ni nyina mu no se nyina so no ne bibia to aso sampa obetumi aye nko ade a empopo weti na se wentumi anye no 14 days and say 28 days a ekwan betumi awo ho ama wo se wo nyina so and say ne eto asum se wentumi anye no entem nti nyina so ho de a betumi aye application say court en consider wo na oma wo time na still ano ye wo application for appeal no na ne ya kan say update a ho no enu so ne say dodo ano a omo asam kodan court a omudi kunim na home office say omomfa old card no emma because miretwemu no sisi ano BWF Solicitors adaroma anamo aye 2 year no nkunimdi ebem last week ya home office na o kan say sisi ano match break na omo asesa enwomom nta ade na ye kan say nka enye omompese obi abe yusu biemu sisi ano ma adwuma tumi say ekwa akwaye say adeɛ no ɛtɔ asum sɛ ɔmoma nkrɔfoɔ etumi editu ɛkwan na ɔmo de ba ha ɔmo ba na ɔmo abadiri abasesa mu santi wa wo saa tibia no ka wakoma etu yem egusu ne ho edi nsawoso egusu bubon punches na ye bom pan sɛ ne ahya sɛ eba no ebeba na eye nkunimdie kura sisi akura na ɔmo kan sɛ ne yɛde akɔda ɔmo ani akɔtɔ ɔmo anim nyinaa no emu yɛ du pa santi ɔmo hia extra time to consider what to do. Don't be discouraged. Don't lose hope. Akwenya ewo ho ema wo. Ye do bibiara si edempenifo BWF Solicitors so ase ewo akwenya yi a and then so yenyen. Yenua my tea. Wonso ye da wase pa. Sa bring inara no unya ebre na udi adwumadie ho akotene. Yenua ada nso a ochinchim efire ye da wase. Bra Kwaku, of course you are watching and supporting. I mean sure.
Nyame shara nso lo Asmah nyame aduma ebishia ochina bye bye.
Ye fema ye wo London ya ji abasobodie bebre ne ya redare ewo mranse mu eye legal services be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die yen solicitors edi enigye ene twitwaje wo na yebo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF solicitors kra wo ho. Inti se ba na busuansem bi te se child care eya abofrahwe mu awaregya ye ho twema mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a yemma legal assistance ya edimu na yie adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nimnia wo famu eweni ya wo brei mu enu ntine yeto yembo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni how kra. Upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF Solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas ni appeals. Yen senior partner eye member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel inti se taiwachi a wonni how kra. Ye bie an office free dwada ekosi fiada anopa no nkrompa mu ekosi enumre no nsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm ena memene dan so eye appointment nko free anopa no ndu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Ye wo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. 793 Seven Sisters Underground Nswa eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advise local authorities, official solicitors office ni solicitors bebree efa Ghanaian law ho yi na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.